In addition to using cool fonts in my books, I often like to add a drop cap to the first page of my chapters. A drop cap is basically when the first word in a chapter is really big. To make a drop cap, put your cursor in front of the letter you want dropped, click Insert, click Drop Cap, and then click Dropped. If you like, you can change the font of your dropped cap to something a little fancier than your regular text. Just make sure that the font is embeddable. Last but not least, I like to use fancy paragraph dividers on my chapter pages and wherever else they're required. To find one of these that you're legally able to use, go to Google Images, click Tools, Usage Rights, and Labeled for Reuse, and then search for Paragraph Divider. When you find one you like, copy it and paste it into your book. Scale it to size, center it, and voila, you've got a cool paragraph divider. Once you've played around with your fonts and font sizes and have devised a style you're happy with, go and manually apply those changes to the rest of your chapters. In the next section in this series, I'll show you how to make your book's copyright page and the other little pages that go at the beginning of your book. See you there.